how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So first of all, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser, then give it a few seconds to load. Then you go to the search of Google Maps and you type the country you are going to target in your method. For me, I prefer to target the United States. That's the best market you can target in this method, and also it's the best market to apply any method you'd like. Then zoom in on the country, and here let's choose a state or a city that we are going to use in today's explanation. So here, for example, let's go for Montana here, or let's go for Nebraska. Let's go to Nebraska. Here, let's zoom in on this place, and let's zoom in here. Go to the search and search for some kind of a small business that you'd like to start with. For example, let's go with gyms. For example, here, click on gym, or just type gyms, and you'll be able to see all of the available gyms near this area. So here we have a lot of gym profiles. As you can see, by scrolling down, you will be able to see a lot of gym profiles, and here you can check or find the best prospects that you can reach out to in order to buy your services. And before I show you the best prospects or the best profiles that you can reach out to, I'm going to show you the three services, the main three services that we are going to offer them. So the first one is the website creation. So we're going to check if they have a website, and if not, if they don't have one, we're going to offer to create one for them. And if they already have one, we are going to see or check if their website needs any renovation. And the second service we are going to offer them is the bad reviews removing. So we are going to take care of the bad reviews that they have on their Google Maps profile. So if there is any 1-star review or 2-star reviews talking badly about their business, we are going to offer them to remove the service of removing the bad review. And the third service we are going to offer them is managing their social media accounts or profiles, and by managing those profiles, we are going to help them gain more clients. So let's start with showing you how you can find the best profiles to reach out to. So the first thing I want you to do is to look for the top of the profile. If there is a sponsored written in the top, that means that profile is being sponsored in Google Maps, which means they already have someone managing their Google Maps profile, so there is no need to contact him. And if not, that's perfectly fine. Then the second thing I want you to check, if they have more than 150 reviews, like this one, for example. Here he has less than 150 reviews. That means he's still a small business, and he would obviously need some help with getting more clients. And the ones with more than 150 reviews, make sure to avoid them as well. So here, let's start with the first one here to see what are all of the services that we are going to offer them. So let's start with the first one, which is the website creation. So here, let's go to their website and let's wait for it to load. So this is their website, Fairfit Health and Fitness Club, and let's check if it's a up-to-date website or it's an old website. So here they even have an application, and these are their staffed hours. You can sign in their website. Here you can find their contacts about the staff. Let's see if they still have an application. Here, let's wait for it to load. So they still have their application, even though it's not very popular and its design is very basic, but just having an application means they have a great staff. So here, let's move on to the next service. We cannot offer them the renovation of their website. It looks up to date to me. So let's move on to the next service, which is removing the bad reviews. So here, let's scroll down to see if we are going to find any bad reviews in their profile, and this is the first one star from a local guide. So here he has written, I would discourage anyone from joining this gym. I called to cancel my membership just 3 days after it was automatically renewed, and they said that not only could I not go get a prorated refund, but that I would be charged for the following month as well. Apparently you have to give them a 30-day notice, and they have no room for extenuating circumstances. The other disconcerting aspect is that they were all too happy to cancel my membership, taking no interest whatsoever in why I was doing so. Another thing to make people aware of with regards to the personal trainers, you will be charged even if you cannot make the session and call them ahead of time to reschedule. So this is a very bad review to have on your profile in Google Maps, and it's also a plus that it's from a local guide, which has given the star of a local guide after doing too many reviews. So that's very bad for the reputation of the business and also the reputation of the staff and the business owners. So this is our first bad review that we can take a screenshot of to show them later on when we send them a message or when we call them to get them to pay us for our service. So here, let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad review that we can use in order to convince them. And guys, if you, as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill to deliver the services. The one thing you will need to do is to get the client to pay you, and then go to fiverr.com. So here, type fiverr.com in the search and wait for it to load. And here, let's go to the search. Let's wait for it to load. Here, let's go to the search and let's type whatever service you'd like to search for. For example, if you are going to remove the bad reviews, you can just hire someone like this freelancer who will do Google Maps business optimization, and you will pay him $25 for the service. So for example, if this client pays us $100 and we pay this freelancer $25 to deliver the service, we will end up with $75 without even learning any skill or without delivering any service. So that's a pretty good business to run. So I think, guys, you get the idea. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.